Good morning, this is Stacy. I'm out here today in Winsome Forest. We're going to tour our model home for you. This is located at 164 Sugar Maple Trace. Our office hours are Monday through Thursday 11 to 5 and then Friday through Saturday 11 to 6. And then Sundays I'm here from 1 to 5, so we're open 7 days a week. I'd love for you guys to come out in person to see. And just real quickly, I'm going to pan over here to the rest of our neighborhood. You can see we've got some new construction going on down there, and the house with its back to us is actually available. We should be taking that live for you within the next couple of weeks. But we've got 4 out here under construction that are available for sale and 1 lot remaining left for sale. All right, so we're going to walk on through. I want to show you guys the front entryway. This here, where my office is right now, will eventually be turned into a side load garage. If you were to build this plan, all of our garages are side load. We've done this one with a brick front. Give you guys a good look at this covered porch in the front. So we got enough room there for a rocking chair or a porch swing. Great view of your neighbors. Nice, wide, spacious lot. All of our lots out here are just under an acre. For most of them, right at 0.92 acres. So you come in, and right here you see your entryway. So you have this beautiful staircase that wraps around that leads up to your first stair, or second level, I'm so sorry. And then to your right here, we've got this room set up as an office. It could be formal dining if you choose, but you have plenty of room there for a desk on any wall. And we've set this up so you've got a sitting area. If you like and you build this house, we can even finish that area off with double glass doors, and there would be a solid door right here where I'm standing that leads out into your living space. We'll walk back out here to the foyer. There is our front door. You see, with this floor plan, you have the side lights on either side. That can vary based on the floor plan, so if you're interested in one of the other ones that you can find on our website, which is sagamorehomes.com, just send me some questions. I'm happy to answer. So you come on through here into your main living space. We have this set for your dining room to be right beside your kitchen. We've got a nice eat-in bar there with your kitchen island, and there's storage on both sides of this. So on this side you have like a regular cabinet, 12 inches deep, and then along to this other side you've got a really nice deep cabinet space for pots and pans, any kitchen gadgets that you may need to store. You can see with the windows here we've got lots of natural light. These are our base level cabinets, so this is the style. I have 7 colors to choose from. This color is a color called graphite. Stainless steel appliances are also our standard. We've upgraded to a gas range here, but our standard is Samsung. You get stainless steel range, microwave, and dishwasher, as well as a garbage disposal. Right off of our kitchen here, you can see you've got a nice deep walk-in pantry. Lots of shelving there for foodstuffs, paper products, again, any large kitchen gadgets that you don't want out on your countertop. We'll walk around over here to our garage entry. You can see this drop zone. Drop zone is a standard feature for us. Here we got 3 cubbies, 3 hooks, and then some upper level cubbies. That again will vary based on the plan, so if you're interested in the Ava or the Ivory, just shoot me a message. I'm happy to talk to you about which one will look like what. This is our utility room. Since the master is on the main level here, your utility room is also on the main level, but you can see you got a lot of space there for your hampers. It's also where your smart hub is located, so we have our router plugged up there in that room. Come back on through to our living space. I'm going to take you guys off the back porch here. So we did put a covered porch here on our model. We have one lot remaining, which is lot 148. It's a beautiful corner lot. You can put a covered porch on that. Your covered porch would come with this 12 by 12 concrete pad, ceiling fan. But again, just a great big backyard, plenty of space. Okay, let's go look into our master suite on this house is on the main level. It's right off here, off your living room. And you can see this room has a lot of good space. Got this staged with a queen size bed. But you can see if you wanted to put a king or something larger there, plenty of room. This leads us into our master bathroom. This we've also upgraded. So our master bathroom, if you wanted just a shower here, we can do an extra wide shower. It would go right here where you see this garden tub. And then where the shower is, you would have a linen cabinet. But we've got this done in the deluxe style, so you have a great stand-in tiled shower. Has a bench seat, as well as 2 shelving units for all your things. And then looking back across, I want to show you the double vanity. We've upgraded here to include the same tops as we used in the kitchen. Standard is a cultured marble. I've got 4 choices of colors there. But we do 2 sinks in our master as a standard. And we also do this cabinet continuation. You can see the same as we used it in the kitchen, just for continuity throughout the home. Ceramic floors on the master. This is also our standard tile floors in your master bathroom. I've got 6 choices on my base level, but I've also got 2 other levels to choose from, and I'll take you through a quick peek of our sales office so you can kind of see what we've got there. This is the room everyone cares about. It's your master closet. You can see lots of room, lots of space. We even tucked away a little nook here. Great for shoes or bags or anything that you might need to store that doesn't need to be hung up with everything else. If you're wondering about the furniture, Nancy Jones with Triad, Show Homes of the Triad, did all of our staging out here, and she did a great job. Let's take you upstairs. So we've done this one to be 3 bedrooms with an additional loft space. You can get in an extra bedroom up here if you need a 4th bedroom. But here we've got a nice living area and then 2 rooms opposite of each other in your hall bathroom. So walk into this room here and show you. Again, we've got it staged with a good sized bed. Get a good idea of the amount of space that you have in this room. And then here, a walk-in closet off your secondary bedroom. This is your hall bath. So in here, again, we've gone with double sinks. If you did not want the double sinks, you'd still get the double vanity and you'd have a long counter space here. We've separated this room so that multiple people can use it at the same time. Over here is your water closet, has its own door. Your shower and tub combo also have its own door and its own linen closet. So again, great storage area, good for sheets, towels, and right in there with your shower. So if you forget your towel, you're covered. Let's walk over here into our 3rd bedroom. And I've left the lights off in this room. I want everybody to kind of see the natural light that you get in through here. Again, this is another really good sized room. And then again, large walk-in here. This walk-in actually has its own window, so again, great for natural light and lots of room for storage. Okay, so I'll walk us back out through here. And again, you can see the loft area as you come out of this room and then down the steps. So this second level is really kind of secluded and quiet, away from the main area of the house. And I'll walk us into what would be your garage. For now, it's my sales office. But just a peek into some of the things that you may see when you come out here. So you see in here my office, this is our meeting area. This is where we would decide what sort of tile you'd like for your master bathroom, if you prefer stone or brick front. And then I have up here all of our styles of cabinets, wood floors, backsplash, granite selections. And then tucked away I have all of our carpet samples and everything else. But you can see, so we have this garage divided into 3 spaces. This is a very large garage. It's meant for 2 cars plus storage. And I can get you the exact dimensions on that if you would like, but it's close to 21 by 21, I believe. But that's it, guys. This is our model. Again, it is the Brandi floor plan. We've designed it with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. This house is right over 2,400 square feet, 2,480. And that's not including the extra space in your garage. So 2,480 finished and heated square feet. But if you have any questions about this, please feel free to send me a message on Facebook. You can give me a call. My phone number is 743-333-8558. And of course, we can always be reached on our website, sagamorehomes.com. There is a contact form there. Just reach out to us. Let us know how we can help you. And of course, if you have any questions about this video, put me a question in the comments. I'll answer it as soon as I see it. Thanks so much for joining us today, guys. Tune in a little bit later this week. I'll be touring again the ivory and the Hannah that we have coming available. And then in a few weeks after that, I'll have an Ava and another ivory to show you guys. You have a great day. Bye.